So you recently went vegan and now you're thinking, OMG, Thanksgiving is just around the corner. What am I supposed to do? Well, you're in luck because you've reached my Surviving Vegan Thanksgiving Guide series. Today, I'll be giving you some tips and tricks on how to do your first vegan Thanksgiving like a boss. Or a pro. First things first, if you're not hosting Thanksgiving yourself, it's always a good idea to let the hostess know that you're now vegan. Also, make sure they know you're not requesting any special dishes or treatment. You're simply letting them know out of common courtesy and to avoid any awkward last-minute no's when they offer you something you can't have. And hey, some people may go out of their way and make you something special, but make sure they know this is not the reason you're telling them, because you don't want to add any extra stress to the hostess during Thanksgiving, because Thanksgiving could eat us up. When hosting Thanksgiving yourself, make sure you have tested vegan recipes on deck for all of your favorites, because you don't want to feel like you're missing out on anything. You want to have your gravy, your pumpkin pie, your stuffing, your mac and cheese. I know. Luckily, I've got you covered. I have a vegan holidays recipe playlist as well as a vegan holiday cookbook, which I'll link down below, and you can find all of my holiday recipes on my blog. Another plus is they're all on the front page, so you don't have to go searching around on the whole website or the whole blog to find anything you like. It's all right there. When going to someone else's house, bring a dish along. You can make a main dish or a side dish or two for 3 reasons. 1, of course, is to be polite. 2 is to have assurance that you'll have something there that you can actually eat. And 3 is to share your vegan dish with other people so that other people can see, hey, vegan food is not so bad after all. And if you're one of the many people riding Thanksgiving solo, or you just can't bear the thoughts of making a big meal on your first vegan Thanksgiving, stick to making just a little handful of things, like mashed potatoes, some roasted Brussels sprouts, a little store-bought vegan roast, which usually come with gravy, so you don't even have to do any extra stuff. And if you can't do Thanksgiving without cranberry sauce, the canned stuff is usually vegan friendly and will do the trick. I have some simple vegan Thanksgiving dinners, which I'll also link down below. And besides a main dish or a side dish, you can bring along a dessert. Now, I would steer away from the usual desserts that make an appearance on Thanksgiving, like pumpkin pie, because the last thing you want to do is go head to head with a non-vegan pumpkin pie on your first vegan Thanksgiving. You can make an easy dump cake. I actually have a recipe for a easy apple dump cake and a delicious double chocolate cake, which are almost fail-proof, and I'll link them down below as well. But of course, you can bring along any vegan dessert that you would like. Just don't go around testing any new stuff and bringing it to people before you've tried it. If you don't feel comfortable cooking anything for a lot of people yet, that's totally fine. A lot of people aren't. You can stop by your local Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, or your local vegan-friendly supermarket and grab something that's vegan and already made and take that along with you instead. You save yourself the stress altogether. Simple and easy. This is something that a lot of vegans deal with, so here's a tip. If someone starts poking fun at your decision to become vegan, because let's face it, the Thanksgiving table is where a lot of people go and lose their filters. So just brush it off. Don't be anyone's entertainment. If you react and give them what they want, they'll just keep going. Just laugh it off or walk away or busy yourself doing something else. Last tip, this is something I do before going to any party that I don't think will have any vegan options, and that's eat before you go. And I know it sounds a bit counterintuitive to eat before going to a Thanksgiving party, but the last thing you want to do on your first vegan Thanksgiving is spend it bummed out and hangry because you're hungry and everyone else around you is eating while your stomach is just growling away. Those easy vegan Thanksgiving meals I mentioned earlier would be perfect to have before going to a Thanksgiving party where you know your options will be limited. If you feel like I missed anything or you have extra tips to share, leave them in the comments down below so we can help everyone. And also share this video so we can all do better during the holiday season, because I know this isn't just going to help people during Thanksgiving, but also during the whole holiday season. I hope you guys have a beautiful holiday season. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're still watching, give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys soon. I love you. Bye. Happy holidays.